Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I want to tell you, if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website, which is education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can get the question? Simply you have to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda you will get math important questions. Okay. One more thing, all these questions are also available in the form of videos on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends. So coming back to the question, what is given here? See, a function is given ht, which indicates the number of hours of daylight on day t. Okay, t of any year, t equal to number of day. So, like January 1, for January 1, t equal to 1. Similarly, for January 5, it will be equal to t equal to 5. Okay. So in a particular city, this relationship is valid for one particular city. Okay. And we have to find like March 19, that is 78th day of the year, which is spring equinox. Spring equinox. So equinox means number of hours of day equal to number of hours of night. Okay. So hours will be equal, and we have to find the number of hours of daylight in the city on this day. Okay. Similarly, in part B on June 19, that is 170th day of the year, which is summer solstice. So here day length will be highest. Okay. And we have to find the number of hours of daylight in the city on this day. Similarly, on December 19, that is 353rd day of the year, and it is winter solstice, and we have to find the number of hours in the city on this day. Okay, so simply by substituting the value of t, we can get the number of hours of daylight. Okay. So the relationship is given as number of hours of daylight on day t is given by ht equal to 12 plus 8.3 sine 2 pi by 365 into t minus 78. Okay. So on March 19th, which is 78th day of the year, number of hours will be equal to h March 19 equal to 12 plus 8.3 sine 2 pi by 365. Here in place of t we have substituted 78. Okay, because the day is 78th day of the year. So 78 minus 78, it will be 0, and sine 0 will be equal to 0. So number of hours on that particular day is 12 hours, and since the whole day is of 24 hours, so we can say that day light will be equal to night hours. Okay. Now coming to part B, we have to find the number of hours of daylight on June 19, which is 170th day of the year. So substituting t equal to 170 in the given function, we can find the number of hours of daylight, and it will be equal to 12 plus 8.3 sine 184 pi by 365, and the value is approximately equal to 1. So 12 plus 8.3 into 0.9992, and we will get 20.3 hours. Okay. Coming to the part 3. Here we have to find the number of hours of daylight in that city on December 19, which is 353rd day of the year. So substituting t equal to 353 in equation 1, we will get 12 plus 8.3 sine 550 pi by 365, and the value of this 550 pi by 365 is minus 0.99977, and we will get approximately 3.7 hours after rounding to one decimal place. Okay friends, So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.